Hey guys, it's me Prasad Vitpadak, your Indian consumer, and today I'm going to unbox a YepMe watch for you. Now this video basically I'm making because of a request from a viewer called Jayesh. He had requested for a video for the YepMe watches. Now YepMe, if you all know, they were earlier into apparel and shoes. Now they have added one more category, and that is watches. Now their watches in Indian market range from $199 to $799. The one that I have ordered is the one which you always see on Facebook and all the other sites. They are advertising a lot for this. This is the red watch that you generally see in the advertisement. This watch, guys, online was for 399 rupees, and I made an online instant payment, and so I got a 100 rupees extra discount, and I purchased it in 299 rupees. So you can do a COD payment, cash on delivery, and get it free cash on delivery, but you'll have to pay the 100 rupees extra. One more thing, they have also started YepMe World, which is their international service, and they are providing free international deliveries worldwide. So this is a really nice initiative by YepMe. The international range of watches which YepMe provides ranges from $5.6 to $21, dollars as in USD. And let's quickly get into the box and see what YepMe is giving us here. I had ordered this product on the 6th of September and today is 10th. So this is the YepMe watch. Here you can see non-COD, as I had earlier mentioned that I did an online payment, and that's the reason I got a 100 rupees discount extra. Let's quickly get into the box. Here you can see they are giving a metal case box, which is very nice for this price range, of course. And here you get the YepMe returns form and your order confirmation and everything, all the details. Now this watch comes with a 1-year warranty. So let's quickly open the box. This is a metal box. The metal is not very good in material, but still a nice initiative. This box you can directly compare with the Fastrack packaging which they give, the Titan Fastrack brand. And here you can see the watch, which is quite good from what I had expected now here. So here you can see the inside in the dial, the YepMe logo which they have started with, nothing on the buckle. So this is a silicone band, and one striking thing that I have noticed here is the holes aren't punctured. So only one hole is punctured here. So we'll have to do the rest. Now the dial here, guys, you can see the black thing. It is metal. It is not cheap quality plastic. It is metal. Let's quickly remove the plastic protective covering which they have given here. And overall, guys, I'm really liking this watch. For a 300 rupee watch, this is really a very nice thing. I had not expected this from YepMe, and YepMe has impressed me. So here you can see a stainless steel back, water resistant. This watch comes with 1-year warranty, which is the best part. So well, inside the box we have the warranty certificate. So here is the YepMe 1-year limited warranty certificate. Plus below the box you can see here the MRP they have mentioned 599 rupees, but I have got this watch in 299 rupees. And the manufacturer's name they have mentioned, Vast Data Services, and other customer care and contact numbers they have provided. Now let's quickly set the time. So now one thing I've noticed here while adjusting the time is the complete inside dial mechanism moves, which is really something which I had not expected. But seeing the price range, well, I can say that you can't expect much from this. So this is the watch, guys. I'm wearing it here. I have a medium sized hand, and here you can get an idea how it looks. It is really nice. The weight is fairly decent enough. The silicone band is really nice. I like the texture, like the feel, the thickness, everything. This metal, the metal quality, the black powder coating on it, it looks really very nice. And instead of going for a local roadside watch and bargaining there for few rupees, you can directly order from YepMe and you can get a decent watch for your daily use. All the teenagers out there who like to wear cheap watches, or I won't say this is a cheap quality watch, it is a cheap priced watch with a nice quality, a decent quality. So you can shop from YepMe They have also provided the return form which I had earlier shown you. This is the return form which they provide, so you can put in your order and you will have to courier back the product, and they will give you a refund for it. So well, that was all about Yipme and the shopping for Yipme watches. For more such videos, more reviews, and if you have any suggestions, if you want me to make any videos, just like our viewers guys, you can let me know and I'll take care of it. So guys, do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you have liked my video. Peace.